persons say that breakfast can be boring. Well, today I'm going to share with you how you can take a boring sandwich and turn it into something so filling, so exciting. Today we're going to be making the ultimate breakfast club sandwich. So let's go over the ingredients. We have 3 slices of brown sandwich bread. If you have white bread, you can use that, but I prefer to use the brown sandwich bread. 1 egg, which we will fry a little later. A couple slices of tomato, a couple slices of cucumber, and 1 leaf of local lettuce. And for our protein, we have, I can't believe it's not ham, and some veggie bacon strips. Now, all of these products are vegetarian products, but if you want to use the real thing, feel free to do that, but I'm using veggie slices and veggie bacon strips. We also have 1 slice of cheese, ½ tablespoon of butter, and 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise. Our first step towards making this amazing sandwich is to fry the egg. Now, while I'm preparing to fry the egg, I'm going to go ahead first and put our sandwich bread to toast while our egg is frying. We're going to go ahead and we're going to put our butter in our pan just to allow it to completely cover the pan. Then we're going to fry our egg. Now we're going to get ready to get our egg in there. 1 lovely egg to add to the top of our ultimate breakfast club sandwich. Our egg is finished. It just looks wonderful. Smells really good too. Now we're going to go ahead and we're going to fry the other protein. Now we're going to add our veggie strips. You just need to add a little more oil or butter just to make sure the pan is completely covered. We don't want anything sticking. And once we finish frying these veggie strips, then we're going to fry the ham slice. Then we're going to put our amazing sandwich together. Now all of our components for our sandwich are done, so we're going to put our sandwich together. Now we're going to take some mayonnaise and we're going to put on the bottom of the first sandwich slice. Then we're going to add our bacon. I think I'm going to just fold it in because I want to make sure that everything gets in here. This is so good. I could just take a little bite right now. But this is what I'm going to make for our ultimate sandwich. Then we're going to add that ham slice on top there. Then we're going to add our vegetables. You know, we need to make it as healthy as possible. So we're going to put 2 slices of tomato. Then we're going to add a couple of slices of cucumber. Club sandwiches are so filling. You can even have this for lunch, but of course you'll add a little extra. The ultimate breakfast club sandwich. So that is, we're halfway there, so we're going to add another slice of bread to cover it. Then we're going to add some more mayonnaise to this one. To make sure everything stays in place, we're going to add some mayonnaise to cover it down. And once the bread is nice and toasted, it should be firm. Now we're going to add the egg. And it smells really good. And we're going to add a slice of cheese. And we're going to add the remaining tomato, remaining 1 piece of lettuce, and 1 sprig of lettuce. And then we're going to cover her down. Now we're going to slice it. Now just to make sure nothing falls out, I'm gonna get a toothpick just to hold some things in place before I slice it. Because when I take a bite, I want to be able to taste everything that is in this sandwich. The ultimate breakfast club sandwich. Our sandwich is done. Just look at those slices. Healthy because you can see the vegetables, the tomatoes, the lettuce, the cucumber, and of course the additional protein. You're seeing the eggs, you're seeing the slices from the ham and the bacon strips, and of course the cheese. The ultimate breakfast club sandwich. Perfect for children, and you can even use this for lunchtime. Let's taste. The ultimate breakfast club sandwich. Now you need to try it.